I'm just waiting for Vasily then because I got cancelled on us 3 times.
I please ask everyone on this side over here if you can all shuffle to the middle. Just make your way for the bride, for the groom and the bride to make the entrance in. But I want everyone to move into the middle. If we can please do that, it will be good. So we can all stand and witness what's happening today. So if we can all make our way to the middle or find a seat. But please do not be in the middle, the aisle. Just clear that for the entrance of the groom and the bride. Katako ku kapau o kuiai whamiri eki heni o Iskeri, pe ko Luisa, o kuai ai sea e wha i mua, ke mo kataki o mea ki ai. If you can't stand, there's 4 seats at the front for you to go and sit down on. 5 actually. I believe we are ready to start our ceremony, but I do ask, please, we ask that you do not get in the way of our live and the photographer today. We're going to firstly welcome the groom, and then we're going to continue on and welcome the bride. And also I'm going to welcome the page boys, Benedict Tulactao and Daniela Junior Tulactao.
To the world that we see like you might carry a dream, so I can dream them too. And when you wake up, I'll be there right next to you. I just want you.
The flower girl is Mana Powono.
I found love in you. And I've learned to love me too. Never have I felt that I could be all that you see. It's like our hearts have intertwined into the perfect harmony. This is why
At this time, I would like to invite families and friends of Luisa and Iskeli to please rise up as we welcome Luisa and her father as they walk down the aisle. Mukatang whamoremore, mukatang kumehake, katau tali, ang tahine mali.
I never knew love was real till you walked into my life. All of my fantasies came true before my eyes. Just the thought of you puts a smile upon my face. My life is not changed. Everything just falls in place. It's been a long time since I felt real happiness. So I thank you, baby, 'cause I feel
For one more. Make an encore, you want to make an encore.
sent from above. The true definition of love. How could this life be so real? I can't explain how I feel. But one thing is for sure, each day I love you more. My baby, can't you see? You complete me.
Thank you, everyone, for coming along. Now, are you allowed to hold hands? Are you allowed to hold their hands? Good. Perfect. Thank you, everyone. I'd like to formally introduce myself. My name is Mary McRae. I am a Commonwealth Registered Marriage Celebrant. So under Australian law, today I'm duly authorised to solemnise the marriage today of Louisa Olpaki Polana. Did I say that right? Mrs. Julie Kaliopa Kilopi Tulaki Pa. I've been practising it all night, and even the gorgeous Louisa sent me a video recording. Oh, that's all right if the little one cries, I'll just speak louder. Before you are joined in marriage, in my presence and the presence of all your witnesses, I am to remind the both of you of the solemn and binding nature of the relationship you're about to enter into. Marriage, according to the law in Australia, it is the union of two people, to the exclusion of all others voluntarily entered into for life. Now I'd like to introduce to you the pastor who is going to lead the next part of the service. Thank you, Mary.
Ihui ke pamata katoa nga mauina ke tia koe. Ko tomua tanta yo ke pia. Ai taha ko soa pe. O mo ni amai. Tau kaunga tiki as bakita. Koe uia koe ofa. O whai e iskeri hau ofa. Tūla tau. Ka umaaru isa. Ofa ki pō wono. Ka pōlau koe tā tuaki. Ina koe ake au. Ke polo karama koe. Ko kore pe i tau hiva pe. E hivi koe ni. E pe e ua. E ulau ate besi uruaki. Pea mo hiva mai. E ulau atu ai besi hono. Lima, kamu kehiva mai besi ono. Lima, ono. Koe kimi. Si suu, he potu, ia toko mano. Masani hake he mea pulite. O koe utungu, o ape i tau lalo. Si opa au, o klau mai.
Si sume potu I e toko mano masau.
Ai misteri tau mama o atu. O polo iau o ato mai. O oku ia, ia o nao. Vespa o si. E sisu, to o ai o tonio o. Sila I ke aua e hu hame ake. Te umate, momohi te mu o. O no fuai pe, ki o tai mea.
Sisu, ai o tonio o sila.
Mapi, oto moi au niu, tui, o aleve leva, e hau koe o nahi hau. Mau uno wasu, e tāpa kua e huapa maa mo maa o nioni ai a Fiona. Ka mau mo e o tua e ripusia e mau mo ui. E mau whatau whorowhora atu ki a Fiona, e ko ka urongu ta e maa ki mau. Ai mo oni pe e whorowhora ki a Aisea. O kuke hoko mai e o tua o tupu ho maurongo tu. Ai lava e maurua aki. Ai huapa maa o nioni ai a Fiona. O tua, e to kai mananga ai a Fiona. O tua o whainga lava, o tua o whainga manai. Whakatai ho maurau mare I he hoa tāko e. I whakalarao o whai e a Fiona. Ka mai mo ui a iskeri hauofa he lotu kūraka. Ka umaa a Luisa o Pakipowon. O tua pa nahi amana kina e whakatoka me muka. Kai hono ko a hoko he a hoko e. Ko pinangalo pe ia o e a Fiona. Ko kua pita ia tu whakalarao whai a Fiona. Ma hou e ki ka umaa, ka uhaa mata pule. Ka umaa o tua e omo family. O tua o mauiheni he hoa tāko e. Ko e ui ia o whai e ofa. Moni pe ai fola e o tua. Ko o wha, o ku hane ia, e ne ta e maa mo hane koe mate. He kai lawa e bai wha, ke ne hanga lo me ki nao. Ko hinga ia e mau hei hei. Ko ofa. He ko ofa e, une kukiu ki a whahinga ngahala. Ko ofa pe, o kuhinga ia e mau hei, e o ata. Ke mau kau he whamu oni e o tua. Ki he au whaku whai e iskeri kau manu. Ko e petai aki ai o whaka, o mau I heni ke mau kau ngā whamu oni. E o tua, ko e aho eni e o tua. Ko e whapa kau e o whako ia. Ko e whahako pinaua ko huise pari, ka moe uai e a. Ka o mau kore, ko lau mari e. Haere mai. Whakatoka. Ai makau e whare koni te wang. Ki whamai halau mari e. Ki te hanga o whakatoka. Ke aua na lava i hawhiri ke ne hanga holo. A whare o teo amanaki te koku. Mauroku. Ko e iwi pe halau mari e. Ko ia pe malawa i harafononga te la fononga. Ko taini pe o tua na lau pe o kuna pe o wha. Ka o kua ia ngā pia o e whainata au e whanonga. Ka e malawa totoa ia o ka pau tēnā mau ai a Fiona. Ki loto tēnā mo. Ia whakawhono ai a Fiona. A ki naua ake ai ofa whaka o tua. Ofa whaka aka pe. Hei kai tō lapa e ha taha. Me ko hame. Tēnā hanga pe te ai ofa. Tua mau lo. Haere mai ho lau mare o tua. Whakawhono ofa ki mau. Uke hoko e aho koe no. Koe mau aho e mau. Fia ia te koe, mau ai pe, mau. Tua tāpua atu mai, ai ono mea koe. Koe kātoanga te mau whai. Ko korea pe lau mari e, tau kātoanga muka. Ka koe he nono po whakawhai mo kua. Longa ama sipa, tuke whakai mai kanea. E mau ai fia, koe wahine pe, ano po mani te maka. O tua mauhanga te a Fiona, toina mea kotoa te, te ki taki ki mautoro e holau ate. A Fiona meo a Fiona ngana ka maulofu ate o tua ko kukai. O lotu ia te a maurungu ko fua ate o ala te tāko si tukai. Ta ke ako mai ka mau malotu ka ke mau hiba o te he.
Ano kamari mani e tāpua.
Now I have to ask both of you a very important question. Not a complicated answer. I can actually give you the answer. It's going to be yes. Okay? But if you forget the answer, this is why everyone is here today. To help you to remember what you're going to do today. Are you ready, Felix? Yep. Good. Not yet, I haven't asked the question. Right. Do the both of you swear before me and before all your witnesses here present that you come here voluntarily, without reservation, that the two of you are free by law today to be married to each other?
Wow.
Yes? Yeah. All right, everybody very said yes. Please round of applause.
Give her a kiss.
Not yet, they're not married. And I know who said that. All right, now when I first started speaking to the both of you, we sent you some questions. And the purpose of the questions is for us to get to know our couple But also the answers are separate, so they don't know what they've said in their answers. So the first question I asked both of them was, when did the both of you first meet? Well, they got that one correct because they met during COVID and they went to their favourite ice cream shop in Altona. And if you don't know an ice cream shop in Altona, they'll let you know where to go. Because if you meet your partner, you can get married. All right, individually, I asked, what do you love about each other? So, Keely, you're going to go first. Your answers. Do you remember what you said? Good, I'll remind you. Okay. So what you said about Louisa. First one, without any doubts, her smile. Oh. The way she handles my cranky behaviour. The way she smiles when I do something stupid but puts me back in line. Gentlemen, it's a bunch of rock. The way she makes me realise how important I am and how special I am to her. The way she smiles when I do something romantic. The way that she allows me to follow my path or career choice, even if both are effective. And the way she smiles when I give her something. So basically, you're madly in love with her smile, aren't you? All right, Louisa, what was your answer? Now, what Louisa responded to was loving each other for who we are and being happy. Loving my imperfections and making me believe that no matter how a person is, of course, they are worthy to love. An unbreakable bond connects us, and I know in my heart we always overcome any obstacle and become stronger for it. And that's a true foundation of marriage as well. Understanding and respecting each other's feelings, clearly trying, loving each other and truly caring. Being there with me during good and bad times and motivating me to do better than yesterday, every day. His unwavering support and affection are my greatest sources of strength and happiness. And the last question, what are your plans for the future? Well, I can tell you they wanted to get married, so that's one plan we tick the box for. Another one is, they both would like to have a little family and building a foundation together with God in the centre of their journey. Continue to love each other and being happy with the decisions we make as one. And taking on what God has in store for us. Now we're going to do the exchanging of the legal vows. So it's a beautiful bouquet that I get. I'll give it back. I'll take the tissue as well. Two special people here. We're going to call you up shortly. Do you want to face each other and hold hands?
I call upon people here present to witness their eyes to be taking Louisa to be my way forward as well.
I call upon the people here present to witness that I, Louisa Kelly,
fini. On va donc prendre le papier.
your favorite? And your favorite? The girl in the dress.
content creator that is
I can't read it with my coffee.
ki mui te upai hato koni. O ko hanga o kuhia. Ko hana iau. Ko hai iau. Ke aho ko e. Ke whakatutu. Ma amo ma o nioni a o tua ma. O ko hanga whaata au ke aho ko e. Ka korau ia ko tā kua. Ka whai au ki tokoni, te whai te ki tokoni no mo. Nā kunau ane pōro, ane aki. Ke kumbi te kaha hapora omi e o kua. Ko hika mo ke amani ko. Tēnā omi ai pora hiva o hiva. Wahe walu, o desi o no ki ono wa. Kau pehau ki hoku o tau wai. Wai. Kau tō kao pehe ahoni o maa o stari heni. O sio hake himoa o mea mani. O iskeri hau he ofa. E ko iskeri fonu o ofa. Kau sio ke himoa o isa o ofa ki ko wonu. O ki mo toru me tonga. O ki mo mahino ko wonu. Na i tuponi wai a tonga kina. Pati a te kuhinga o toru kona ta. Te urao te kola. Mokori mori. Kei ke loa to. Hiva o hiva, song o song, wahe walu, besi o no, e walu. Besi o no ki e piku. Ai au te ruparia. Ai au, hange hasila i o patapata. Hange hasila i o lima. E koe o paa ko kau a hange koe mate. Ta e mau mo a fua, hange ko hekesi. Koe ni ngani tapa koe tapa hai ake. Koe maa ki a ki ulo ia mea ia. E kai lava ani vai lahi ke fuifui a ofa. E kai lo me kina ia e ni vai lahi. Ani ke aku e tangata, ngoloa kotoa hulu kare, i whakatau aki ai ofa. Koe manu te. Whakatau ki te. Mako kare inga pia o aha ko eni, koe tuu ki mua. Se ko ofa, koe ki ia o mea kotoa. I nofu family, I he nofo mari, I he nofo motainga, o ofa. Pea o kou tui iskeri, pea mo isa, o lea ai wholo kia te kumoku. Anea, a ke sio peka iskeri manako pe, talahu. Sio pea iskeri kia koe, manako pe mo talahu. A ko kua manako pe. O kumo ilo I talahu o tua, e moro. E more. Talabo o lo ko te fine o apasia. Te ko tama o apasia. Maka bahe. Ko tai ni tai mo te te mo ko hai ya. Mo te o fa. Te o fa ni ko kino. Kamu mana ko ahoni ka ia a pompo. O kia I palopalema no kumai. Koe ofa koe aho ni. Ka I kai kaua si o mai. E lama mo kai. E mo pepe e ofa ni. Tano te ia kaose. Ko ofa o hange koe mai. Mo ngata. Waka whae pai tape. Ko kai ke lama ke lomi kina I. Uhinga ia kuhenia e family ko soa me. Ko ofa. Ko uhinga ia ko o mo whakahoko e aho ni ko ofa. Pakamo ilo, ka pipauia e kai kaua si suka i mo. Hange ko mo whakaamu e senta kai kaulongu e ofa. E kalanoa kai a paula. Rako lito takudoro, vesta, kamo te. E ko ofa, taua. Ka tō hapai kata, Ayah, so no iske. Ikai, mo no pa. Ko amo ni. Ya ka so no wa isa. Amo mo ni. Hena ito to ni. Ko mo ania. Te mo la. Ako ahon. Mo lo pa pa. Mo ki ko mo fio pa. Kana amo asei ni ma. Ke kai la pa. Kwa manakua. Ahoni mo tu pehe. Mo o mo mai. Kai ia e aho e hoko mai ai o fua. Ke taane ya mo no sia. Ke hoko mai ai o fua ke taane mo koi pa mo. Ka ko ia. Ke ia si o sia si o sia. munu ka te. Ka pumo fie maa ke mo taani mo la mi. Te. Ka pe. Koto mai ai o kuara. Ame a kuno mai. Kawai ni anu. Mo taani mo. Kawai. Kore a pe ke whamoi mo pe. Ua mai pe ki pe peta. Pe ki oka arau. Wana kaka. Pe ko ke lesi. No ngā kulega tane mo sa mai.
Please ask everyone to please stand on your feet as we welcome Isa and Giliel, and then we're going to continue on with our photos. Can I please ask everyone to please stand as they make their way out. We put our hands together.
Take me slowly.
5:30. But the bar will be open. Also, there is the canopies will be open as well. So you're more than welcome to just walk around or go downstairs. Just meet one another and greet one another. We won't be seated till 5:30 tonight, this evening. So can I just ask the bride and the groom? The immediate family, the bride and the groom. Dia familia nuestra, pues hay que está en Palenque, tanto que para familia iskeli, para hini peculiar que nos conozca ginawa o contacto programa con está y el paga, para hini peculiar que nos conozco,